In this ukulele video, we're going to go over the Ohana BK70R. This is the baritone with a solid spruce top. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're into baritone tutorials and reviews, this is a great place for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification. Also, I have a great beginning baritone boot camp course that's going to help you understand and master this great instrument, the Baritone Ukulele. That's available at ukelikethepros.com. I'll put a link of that below, and also, if you stick around, I'm going to tell you how you can get that course absolutely for free. So the Ohana BK70R, just got this, just playing it for the first time. Dig it. It's light, but it sounds great. I'll do some playing in a second. It does have a nice solid spruce top. I'll talk about all the specs, and I'll do a bunch of different playing as well. So let's just do a little playing and we'll dive right in. All right, how do you not play some blues when you have a baritone? So what I love about this sound of this one, it's very open. It's a very open sound. I'm going to try to explain to you why I think it is so open sounding. But this is a baritone. We do have a solid spruce top. Really nice solid spruce top here. And the spruce tops actually do make a difference as well, but the solid tops do make a difference. I'm going to explain to that in a second. But you got the solid spruce top. You got a nice abalone inlay. Really nice here. You got the nice purfling that goes all the way around, which I love. Just makes it look really clean. Now you have a laminate rosewood, and this is a nice satin finish on it. Back, or sides, with the cream binding here. And then you also have the laminate rosewood here on the back. And so I think the combination of the solid top wood versus the laminate sides and back, it gives it a unique sound. So it's not as kind of thin as the all laminate woods, and it's not quite as warm as the all solid wood. But what you get for that is a great value, a great price for it. And so that's kind of the exchange for it. And this one is a really great price on this one. The spruce tops that sound really pops off the spruce top. So they're going to be a little kind of louder and a little bit brighter sounding than normal, let's say, a different kind of like mahogany top, let's say, okay? Notice how that sound just, it pops off that thing. This is a really nice loud instrument here. All right, let's go over the rest of it here. We got just a hardwood neck. It's hard to say. It's just a hardwood. I'm not sure. It almost looks like a walnut, but not sure what the neck here is. Then you have the open. Well, I'll get to that front back. You have the side tuners here, and the slotted headstock. How cool is that? Really, really nice. Kind of gives a classic look on it. You got the bone, nut, and saddle. You got the nice hardwood fretboard with the perloid inlays. Now this is a baritone, and what that is 19.5 inches from the nut to the saddle. All right? Let me do a little more playing. We'll kind of show you a few more specs, like I know you want to know what this width is. Everyone does. So let me do a little bit more playing. So when I was playing that, what I noticed is the bass response. Just a really nice low-end bass response, but it's tight. It's not flabby sounding, and I think that does have to do with that spruce top and also that rosewood laminate back and sides. Anyway, this right here, this is important to a lot of people, and it's important to me too. The width here at the nut, 1.5 inches, which is nice. It gives you plenty of room for your fingers to play there. So I'm going to do one more piece, a little finger picking piece, and I'm going to go back to, remember we were talking about the baritone course. I'm going to tell you how you can get that for free, and I'm going to talk about all the perks that you get by getting this instrument here with me at ukelikethepros. Notice that nice tight sound on the finger picking. Yeah, cool instrument. I dig it. The perks here. First of all, this comes set up from Ohana. So Ohana sets these up as they come in. They hand check each one of these and they set them up. So you have beautiful action here right at the nut and also right here at the 12th fret. This thing is great, feels great, easy to play as well. Has the keyless strings already on it. I'm going to throw in the Ohana padded gig bag just because I want you to have a nice bag for that. And now the course, that baritone course, which is available at ukelikethepros.com, I'm going to throw that in for free with the purchase of this instrument right here. So that almost makes it worth it just right there. Also, I will ship this thing anywhere in the world. So very cool. Dig this thing. This is the Ohana BK70R. Remember, this has a solid spruce top with the laminate rosewood back and sides. This thing feels, sounds, and plays amazing.